Question 29. The error in numerically computing the integral 0 to pi sin x plus cos x dx using the trapezoidal rule with three intervals of equal length between 0 and pi is. In this question, we have been given the integral from 0 to pi sin x plus cos x dx, and for trapezoidal method we have been given n is equal to 3. We have to find the error between the exact and the trapezoidal method. So first, for trapezoidal method, h is given by b minus a by n. So that will be pi minus 0 by 3. So h is pi by 3. Now let's make a table for x 0, pi by 3, 2 pi by 3 and pi. The value of f of x will be, this is f of x. For 0 it will be 1, for pi by 3 it will be root 3 by 2 plus half, for 2 pi by 3 it will be root 3 by 2 minus half, and for pi it will be minus 1. Now, so the value of integral of f of x dx by trapezoidal method will be h by 2 y naught plus yn plus 2 times y1 plus y2, or this will be y3, y1 plus y2. So that will be equal to pi by 6, 1 minus 1 plus 2 times. When we add these two, this will get cancelled, so it will be root 3 by 2 into 2. So finally it will be pi by 6 into 2 root 3. The value comes out to be 1.813. Now by exact method, we have to integrate from 0 to pi sin x plus cos x dx. That will be 0 to pi sin x integration minus cos x plus cos x integration sin x between the limit 0 to pi. So first putting pi, we will get minus 1 plus 0 minus, in 0 we will get minus 1 plus 0. So that is equal to 2. So error will be 2 minus 1.813. That comes out to be 0.186.